Thank you for calling Bloomhaven. My name is Charlie. How may I assist?
I would like to order a bouquet of white roses, please.
Of course, sir. May I have your name?
Miguel. Miguel Navarro.
Thank you, Miguel. Beautiful choice, by the way. Are these for a special occasion?
Para kay Mama. Kaso, wala na siya eh.
I'm really sorry for your loss, sir.
Thank you. Sorry. First time ko kasing umorder ng bulaklak. Kasi dati hindi ko talaga siya afford. Tapos ngayon sanang kaya ko na. I can buy as many as I want. She's not here to see it. Alam mo, si Mama, siya yung superhero ko. Tinaguyo niya ako mag-isa. Maglalako siya ng lugaw sa umaga, labandera naman sa gabi. And she never bought anything for herself. Lahat ng kinikita niya, diretso sa pagpapaaral sa akin. Kaya nangako ako sa kanya, balang araw, Mama, magiging doktor ako. And when that day comes, ako naman ang bahala sa'yo. Hindi mo na kailangan pang magtrabaho, magpapahinga ka na lang, and I will spoil you with everything you want. Kaya lang, may ibang plano ang Panginoon eh. Nung namatay siya, walang gustong tumulong sa akin. Pinagpasapasahan ako ng mga kamag-anak ko. Ako yung pamangkin na makakakain lang pagtapos ng kumain ng lahat. Yung pamangkin na hindi kasama sa mga handaan, yung nakikita ko silang nagkakasiyahan habang ako nasa kusina naghuhugas ng pinggan. Ako yung pamangkin na kailangang makisama pero hindi kailanman itinuring na pamilya. Ako yung pamangkin na tinuruan ng mundo na huwag umasa, huwag humingi, huwag magreklamo. Kasi sa kanila, pasanin lang ako. Palamunin, mabigat. Tapos kahapon, I finally became a doctor. And I should be happy. Diba? Kasi ito na yun eh. Ito na yung pangarap ko. Ito yung pangako ko kay Mama. Pero bakit parang wala? Sa totoo lang, I feel so empty. Kasi, the person I worked so hard for isn't here anymore. Nakakatawa lang din kasi the same people who belittled me are the ones messaging me now, saying, "Congrats, Dok, galing-galing mo, pamangkin ko yan." Alam ko naman na kung andito lang si Mama, sisermonan ako noon kasi napaka-ungrateful ko. Pero tangin na kasi. Pero kasi paano, di ba? How would I celebrate when the only person I wanted to see me win is gone?
Alam mo, sir, people think achievements are just for applause. Pero kasi minsan, they're also a way to say thank you. Kasi hindi mo ito nakikita ng mom mo, pero hindi ibig sabihin nun na hindi niya alam. Lahat ng sakripisyo niya, lahat ng pagod at pagpupuyat, they weren't for nothing, sir. And you are a living proof of that.
Ang sakit lang kasi.
For sure, for sure. But pain doesn't erase the love that she gave you. It's a proof of how much she meant to you.
Thank you. Naging trauma lang patuloy kita. Sorry. Can you, I don't know.
Of course.
Ma, I did it. I kept my promise. And I hope you're proud. I love you. Tsaka, thank you for listening, ah. I didn't expect to feel lighter.
Walang naman po. I think that's just what moms do, di ba? Na kahit wala na sila, they would still find a way to remind us that we are never alone.
Thank you, Ma.